We are black. We are black. We are back out here on the Blackstone to cook some breakfast for Mom and I. We're gonna get some bacon out. We're gonna put some bacon on the Blackstone, and I have here some mild Italian sausage. All right, so we got the flat top all heated up, ready to go. We're gonna turn the heat down to very low. Let's get the bacon on there. Oh yeah, I love that sizzle. And while we're at it, I'll put my sausage on there. So I got a couple eggs here. Go ahead and crack them up, drop them right inside. We're gonna put 4 eggs in. 4 eggs, more than enough for Mom and I. All right, a little bit of great value, heavy whipping cream. I'm only gonna put about maybe a tablespoon, and we'll just give it a good whisking through. Get a little bit of salt, got a little bit of pepper, and just mix that right on in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get some butter. I want to do a line just like that. Hold it a little bit. I want to create like a little dam so they can't get by. Get the eggs just like that. Let these cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. Go ahead and lay our cheese right on there just like that. All you're going to do, like I said, if your Blackstone is seasoned properly, it is really simple. Flip it like that. I want mine looking like that. That's going to be Mom's, that's going to be mine. Get her sandwich on there. Got the egg, a couple slices of bacon. That looks good though. All right, let's get my sausages on there. That's some nice color on there. Got the sausage on there. Put my egg right on there just like that. Oh yeah. Sausage, egg, and cheese. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Breakfast is served. Grab a couple pictures. I'll be right back for a taste test. Oh, thank you. All right, guys. I guess I get nothing now. Cheers, everyone. Good. Oh, that is good. Guys, I really hope you enjoy the video. Smash that like button. Say hi to Mom. Give her all the love. Smack me a couple times too. But as always, until next time, God bless and happy eats. Love you all. Love you all.